Hello mga UVG, ako ulit. So, tingnan natin kung ano, ipiperso ko yung Virgo versus all zodiac sign. Okay, so tingnan natin kung silipin natin kung ano ang feeling ng lahat ng zodiac sign sa iyo, Virgins. Okay, tingnan natin. Unahin natin sa Earth sign. Virgo to Virgo. Virgo, dealing with the Virgo. Ano ang feeling ng Virgo kay Virgo? Uy, Queen of Cups. Uy, the Empress card. Ang feeling ni Virgo sa'yo, you've got the power. Okay. Lakas ng dating mo dito, napaka maalalahanin. Very caring, very compassion. Okay. I-make sure mo na lahat is komportable. Okay. Ang feeling sa'yo ni Virgo is at home. Okay. Virgo dealing with the Virgo is at home. Husband or wifey material. Yun ang feeling ni Virgo sa'yo, Virgo. Ba't hindi nag-focus? Unsa naman day? Hindi na nag-focus. So, tingnan natin. Taurus. Anong feeling ni Virgo? Anong feeling ni Taurus kay Virgo? Nine of Pentacles and the Four of Wands. Ooh. Ang pa-positive naman nila dahil. Kaya lang, okay. So, ang feeling ni Taurus sa'yo, Virgo, is smelling good, doing good. You can pay your own bills. Okay. So, ayaw mo humingi ng tulong kahit na kanino. You're good at your own. Okay ka lang ng ikaw lang. Okay. Malakas ang pundasyon mo. Okay. So, with the Four of Wands, go-getter ka rin dito. You have something here. Ang feeling sa'yo ni Taurus is marami kang achievement or marami siyang ma-achieve kapag ka, at saka nakikita niya rin na single ka. This is my single card, independent card. Okay. So with the Four of Wands, I think you've got your own going on here. Meaning to say, marami kang maano yung pundasyon mo. Sabihin natin sa sarili mo, masayahin ka, you're always have an achievement, Virgo. Yun ang feeling ni Taurus sa'yo. Tingnan natin Capricorn. Capricorn. Six of Wands and the Chariot card. Ang feeling ni Capricorn sa iyo is you are on the public eye, very victorious, at saka you're always moving forward. Okay, you're always, You're always moving forward. Pag nakita ka niyang naglagpak, bangon agad. Okay. So, people know you and people sees you as someone who is a pursuer. Let's say, traveler din. Okay, you're always pushing forward. Okay, whatever it is, whatever. Kasi ang Six of Wands is a victory card. Okay, pag nag-victory ka, ibig sabihin, ang dami mong laban na pinagdaanan. Okay, so, yun ang perception sa'yo yun ang feeling ni Capricorn sa'yo. Okay, hindi man niya pinapakita, hindi niya man sinushow, pero ang feeling niya sa'yo is you're always moving forward. Okay. Or maybe feeling niya bibili ka ng sasakyan in some point. Okay. Okay, tapos na tayo sa earth sign. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Punta tayo sa water sign. Punta tayo kay Cancer. Anong feeling ni Cancer kay Virgo? Justice card and the Nine of Cups. So, Virgo, ang feeling sa'yo ni Cancer is ikaw na ang karma niya. Okay. Nasa iyo na ang lahat with the Nine of Cups. Okay, but with the Justice card, I think meron ka lang pinagbayaran dito or pinabayad mo lang siya in some point. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa niya before, pero I think Justice card is a karma card. Equal card. I mean, you know what I mean? Or regarding sa mga legalities. Okay. Bagat para siguro tong Cancer na to nag-aano to ng mga legalities or baka paningin niya nasa posisyon ka ng baka munisipyo or something. Okay, at iniisip niyang makakatulong ka or matutulungan mo siya. Kind of, yun din ang senaryong nakukuha ko. So, dalawa ang feeling ni Cancer sa'yo. Okay. Okay. Tingnan natin si Scorpio. Scorpio versus Virgo. Feeling ni Scorpio kay Virgo. Tower card, very unexpected. Nanggugulat ka, Virgo. Ang feeling ni Scorpio sa'yo is very unexpected. Ace of Cups, agoy. Yater. Ace of Cups, false foundation. Okay. Ang Ace of Cups is new love. Okay. Ang the Tower card is very unexpected. Sometimes it can represent cup, parang ang tawag niyan, hindi niya namamalayang in love na pala. Okay. Or sometimes it can represent false uh, false feeling. Siguro ang pinapakita sa'yo ni Scorpio is like fling or player type energy, but all of a sudden, boom, 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 boom. Okay. Basta ang feeling sa'yo ni Scorpio is very overflowing. Nafo-fall na siya nang hindi niya namamalayan. Okay. Tingnan natin si Pisces. Okay, nafo-fall na siya nang hindi namamalayan. Nagiging attached na siya sa'yo, which is natatakot yata siya eh. Na maging clingy siya or something. I don't know. So, tingnan natin. Pisces. Anong feeling ni Pisces kay Virgo? Oh, communication, Page of Wands, good news in the reverse. I think hindi to kasali. Kasali ba to? Family card. Another one. Five of Pentacles. So, Virgo, ang feeling sa'yo ni Pisces is feeling left out in the cold. Okay. Out of communication. This person, kung sino man to para sa'yo, Virgo, is someone is reaching out but you are cannot be reached. Okay. This person with the Five of Pentacles in the reverse and the family in the reverse, I think ayaw niya nang ma-feel ang ganitong feeling. Okay, so meron siyang communication coming in. This is a good news. Basta merong small communication na inform ka or ino-notify ka na Pisces is still there. Okay. Or maybe the Pisces, yun ang feeling ni Pisces sa'yo eh. Inabandon na mo eh. Pero gusto niya nang umalis sa energy na ganito kaya gusto niya makipag-communicate. Okay. Yun ang feeling ni Pisces sa'yo, Virgo. In some point, ewan ko. Basta meron kang inabandon ng Pisces dyan. And this Pisces is reaching out or want to reach out. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Tapos na tayo sa water sign. Tingnan natin sa fire sign. Simulan natin kay Aries. Anong feeling ni Aries kay Virgo? Five of Wands and the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, so nag-aaway-away sa resources. Okay. Sa stability. Aries. Puro reklamo or basta. Ang feeling dito ni Aries is like competition regarding sa income. Okay. Or napaka-competitive mo. Or maybe isip niya lang yon. Okay. Or maybe conflicted lang siya sa sarili niya na makipag long term sa'yo. Okay. Ang feeling niya kasi you're with the Ten of Pentacles is and the Five of Wands, ang feeling niya sa'yo is hindi ka talaga papayag. Parang pag may katwirang ka ipaglalaban mo. Meaning to say is very pinapanindigan mo kung ano yung sinabi mo, Virgo. Okay. Which is ang Aries is irritated sa ganong ugali. Okay. Speaking your truth always. Bakit ko nakita yon na speaking your truth with the Five of Wands? Wala namang away or competition or something with the Ten of Pentacles. Kung ikaw ay alam mo sa sarili mong stable ka, wala kang inaapakan tao. Bakit ganyan ang feeling ni Aries, di ba? Ang feeling ni Aries, baka conflicted lang siya sa sarili niya na makipag long term sa'yo or regarding sa resources or basta conflicted ka. Dalawa lang yan. Okay. Tingnan natin si Leo. Anong feeling ni Leo kay Virgo? Queen of Wands at saka Six of Swords. So, you are moving into peace of mind. May rejection dito. Okay. Baka meron kang na-reject na Leo or out of communication and you're moving into peace of mind. You're motivated. Focus ka dito on some other things. Wala kang panahon. Okay, sa Leo na to. Either communication man yan or whatsoever. Yun ang feeling ni Leo sa'yo. You are busy moving yourself out into a sitwasyon. Oo. So, tingnan natin. Aries, Leo. Tingnan natin si Sagittarius. Anong feeling ni Sag kay Virgo? Ten of Cups. And Two of... Hell no. Sagittarius. In some point. Ha? Feeling ni Sagittarius sa'yo, Ten of Cups and Two of Cups. Binigyan mo ng kaligayahan to ng hindi niya pa nararanasan sa iba. And now, nandun yung realization na mas grabe ang chemistry niyo. Okay. Even though na kung ikaw ay committed sa Sagittarius, this Sagittarius is very in love. Okay. But if you are not in a connection with this Sagittarius, talaga namang nare-realize niya na pinaka-greatest love niya lang is sa'yo, pinaka-greatest chemistry. is ikaw, Virgins. Ay, sana all. Ah, tapos na tayo. Punta naman tayo sa air. Gemini. Anong feeling ni Gemini kay Virgo? King of Pentacles and the Sun card. Okay. So, ang feeling ni Gemini sa iyo, Virgo, is you are building your own stability and you are happy. Okay. Masayahin ka, sarap kang kasama, tsaka nagbi-build ka ngayon sa iyong stability or entrepreneurial mindset. Ewan ko kung nakikita niyang may something na nakikita siya sa'yo na very stable at very focused ka. Okay. And masaya ka at the same time. So, yan ang feeling ni Gemini sa'yo. Okay. Wala pa gani ba? So, tingnan natin. Gemini Libra. Ano ang feeling ni Libra kay Virgo? Anong feeling ni Libra kay Virgo? Magician. Three of Pentacles. Nambubudo ka dahil. Budo yung tawag yan, no? Ibig sabihin, ang feeling ni Libra sa iyo is you are the magician here. Kaya mong iangat ang sarili mo, whatever it is. Alam ng Libra na marami kang tools. Alam ng Libra na kaya mong in any workplace. Okay, your productivity, creativity. So, this Libra, feeling niya talagang you have all the tools, the talent, and things, okay, to succeed. Okay. So, mataas ang paningin sa'yo ng Libra. Okay, you're very wise. Okay, as well. Tingnan natin, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Anong feeling ni Aquarius kay Virgo? Anong feeling ni Aquarius kay Virgo? Ay, nostalgia na eh. Oh. Nine of Wands, pero grabe ng defense mo. Mataas ng bakod mo. Gusto niya mag-offer dito. Gusto niya pa rin pumasok. Pero I think with the Nine of Wands, you're guarded. Okay. You're guarded and this person is very nostalgic. Kaya lang niya gustong mag-move forward sa iyo. Gusto niya ulit mag-offer with the fish na gusto niyang mag-grow ulit kasi namimiss ka niya. Very nostalgic. Okay. But you are guarded here because of the situation. So, Virgo, yun ang nakikita ko dito sa lahat ng zodiac. Okay, sa lahat ng hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Sa mga makaka-resonate naman, thank you po in advance. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo, for Virgo versus all zodiac signs. So, thank you po in advance sa mga makaka-resonate. Okay, so comment below po if agree kayong i-pursue ko yung Virgo versus also Jack sign. So thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching and bye for now.